The Spanish alphabet. Spanish has 27 letters, one more letter than the English alphabet. That letter is the letter ñ, which we've highlighted in green. Let's say the ABCs in Spanish, el abecedario. I'll say it first, and you can repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's take a look at the alphabet letters again. I've colored most of them in orange for you. This is because all the letters in orange end in the ẹ sound. Knowing this might help you remember the letter names. Let's say the letters again. You can repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The vowels in Spanish are named as follows: A, E, I, O, U. Let's say them one by one first. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Now I'm going to say them all together first, and then you try saying them after me. Ready? A, E, I, O, U. Now you try. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on the Spanish alphabet. Don't forget you can watch this or any of the lesson videos as many times as you need, and practice the exercises until you feel confident with the material. I will see you in the next lesson.